So the way that you show up in your relationships, so I'm talking about your self-worth, your spending habits, even the way that you cope with stress, addiction, all of it traces back to infancy. In the book, The Body Keeps Score by Dr. Vanderkolk, it actually explains that an infant's nervous system literally wires itself based on something called attunement. So not the food, not the toys, not the clothes, the attunement. Did someone look into your eyes as a child? Did someone soothe you when you were distressed? Did someone respond when you cried? Or did you learn early that you had to handle everything alone? Because the truth is that infants don't just cry. They cry because their nervous system is overwhelmed and the caregiver becomes the regulator. Now, when the regulation isn't there, a child doesn't learn self-regulation. They learn survival. Vanderkolk actually gives very real examples. So children who didn't get consistent emotional attention often grow into adults who turn to food for comfort. So binge eating becomes the soother. Children who grew up with unstable communication often grow into adults who self-medicate. So this means with substances or alcohol because their nervous system never learned how to calm naturally. Now, those who didn't receive predictable affection may become adults with compulsive spending because buying something gives a temporary hit of a safety and control that their body never received in childhood. So in this state, your body is repeating the only regulation strategy that it learned. And that's why nervous system work is so vitally important because you're not just changing your mind, you're repatterning childhood wiring. My work is built around that. So I had to rewire my own system. I used to think that anxiety, reactivity, emotional shutdowns, binge eating, and spiraling were just my personality, but they weren't. They were survival patterns that my nervous system learned before I could even speak. So breathwork really helped me to access those parts of my body where those patterns lived. Cacao helped me soften the emotional armor, the tight chest, the hypervigilance, the protective walls, so I could actually feel safe enough to change. Ceremonial cacao is very interesting. It's very beautiful because it contains theobromine, anandamide, magnesium, things that directly support the vagal tone, the emotional processing, and heart-brain coherence. It's not just chocolate. It's actually the purest form. It's a tool that makes nervous system healing possible. So if you are ready to actually change these patterns, not just think differently, but feel differently, this is the work that I do. You can start with our ceremonial cacao as a part of your daily regulation practice. And if you'd like that deeper support, I do offer one-on-one nervous system coaching and breath work where we rewrite the patterns that your body learned long before adulthood. Your body remembers everything, but it can also be rewired.